Jai Hind Defense Aspirants, I welcome you all on Centurion Defense Academy channel. So आज इस वीडियो में हम FCAT 2024 के बारे में जानेंगे, how to approach that, what is the eligibility for it, what is this examination, we will be figuring out in this video. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. We will be seeing all the details regarding FCAT examination. Air Force Common Admission Test. Through this, you join the Air Force. So exam name, if we talk about it, it is Air Force Common Admission Test. Through this test, you go through the go into the Air Force Academy. Now, it is commonly known as FCAT. Exam conducting authority इसकी जो exam conduct करवाती है, वो है आपकी Indian Air Force. When it comes to CDS or NDA, it is being conducted by UPSC. But when it comes to your FCAT exam, it is being conducted by your Indian Air Force. Now, coming to the exam level, it is on national level. It is a national level examination. And what are the qualifications that you need? It is your graduation. You need to be graduated for attempting this paper. So when we talk about age limit, so for the flying branch, you need to be in the slot of 20 to 24. And when it comes to your technical or non-technical branches, it is 20 years to 26 years. Then, if we move further, then stages of exam की बात करें, कौन-कौन से stage होते हैं इस exam में, तो पहला है आपका online test होता है, and then there's a AFSB interview. Apart from that, of course, they do take medical test as well. And if you pass through all this examination, then you are included and you are given the position. You go through the training. Now, exam mode की बात करें, तो ये एग्जाम ऑनलाइन कंडक्ट कराया जाता है. When it comes to your CDS exam or NDA exam, it is offline. But when it comes to your FCAT exam, it is conducted online. Then, if we talked about exam language, it is English. Exam duration की बात करें, तो वो 2 घंटे का होता है. There are 100 questions and you have to do it in 2 hours. And when we talk about EKT, that is Engineering Knowledge Test, वो होता है 45 minutes का. और FCAT पोस्ट की बात करें तो पोस्ट डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में है. वो कैटेगरीज कौन सी हैं? कैटेगरीज है फ्लाइंग ब्रांच, देन ग्राउंड ड्यूटी जो कि टेक्निकल ब्रांच होगा, और इसके अलावा ग्राउंड ड्यूटी विच इज़ नॉन टेक्निकल. सो इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 एंड फर्स्ट इज फ्लाइंग ब्रांच, देन ग्राउंड ड्यूटी जो कि टेक्निकल होगा, और ग्राउंड ड्यूटी जो कि नॉन टेक्निकल होगा. So this is the overview that tells you about the eligibility. What are the eligibility criteria? Eligibility criteria क्या होगा? Whether you would be eligible in which age, that is given. उसके अलावा what kind of examination it is. So if you are ready to apply for this examination, you should start preparing for this examination. And for preparing and for the preparation of this examination, you need to start your preparation right now for your FCAT 2024. एंड उसके लिए आपको जो भी गाइडेंस है वो यहाँ अवेलेबल है. देयर आर गुड टीचर्स एज वेल. FCAT के लिए स्पेसिफिकली अलग क्लासेस होती हैं फ्रॉम CDS एज वेल एज योर NDA एग्जामिनेशन. सो इट इज़ फुली फोकस्ड फॉर FCAT एग्जामिनेशन. देयर आर डिफरेंट क्लासेस फॉर इट, एंड ऑल्सो you can always get the online courses as well. If you think कि सेंटर में आकर पढ़ाई करना is not possible, then you can always avail the online access as well, which is being available here. So आज के लिए इस वीडियो में इतना ही. Thank you. जय हिंद.